Imagine you've just received a generous insurance payout after an unexpected disaster, a damage-laden reminder of life's unpredictability. With these funds in your pocket, the freedom to envision your next steps is tantalizing. But have you paused to consider the implications of how you choose to use that money? Many assume that this financial windfall grants them unfettered discretion, but what if that assumption could lead you down a perilous path? Picture this. You decide to allocate those insurance dollars elsewhere, perhaps to a shiny new gadget or an alluring getaway. It feels like a moment of indulgence, doesn't it? Yet lurking beneath this decision are numerous risks waiting to unveil themselves. For instance, your insurance company may view this choice as a breach of contract, an unintentional yet significant misstep that could lead to the cancellation of your policy. Without insurance, what would happen when the next storm rolls through, leaving you vulnerable and unprotected? Moreover, failing to use the funds for their intended purpose may invite scrutiny into your future premiums. Just imagine the surprise at your next renewal when the costs shoot up due to the perceived risk of your actions. And let's not overlook the impact on your financial health. Neglecting necessary repairs, tied to loans or mortgages, could send ripples through your credit score, affecting your financial standing in ways that may take years to mend. But what about the future? If you neglect to use the insurance money as intended, how might it cast a long shadow over your subsequent claims? You might find that your insurer, now questioning your integrity, begins to scrutinize your honesty with a microscope. This could lead to claim denials when you need help most, especially if they decide that your initial neglect led to subsequent issues. It's a haunting thought, one poor decision echoing its consequences into your financial future. The legal landscape can seem daunting, but it looms large over these choices. Accepting that payout involves a contract, misusing the funds can be construed as a breach, potentially igniting legal disputes whenever future claims arise. And what of the fear of a fraud investigation? Should the insurer suspect you've acted unjustly, your reputation could suffer long-term repercussions, locking you out of future insurance opportunities. So, why is it so critical to allocate insurance money for the repairs it was intended to cover? Focusing on your property value, consider how well-maintained homes draw higher offers and retain their worth. Imagine allowing damage to fester, its consequences piling up until they eclipse the original repair costs. With an eye toward safety, think about the potential hazards posed by unresolved issues. By taking swift action, you protect not just your investment, but also those who share your space, ensuring a secure haven from avoidable accidents. Yet life is unpredictable and sometimes circumstances change. Perhaps financial hardships confront you, leading to the temptation of diverting those funds. If so, exercise caution, for the risks remain steadfast. And what if you find yourself on the cusp of selling your property? Consult with your insurer and navigate this transition with foresight and care. When you finally receive that insurance payout, it's wise to adopt best practices to steer clear of the pitfalls lurking ahead. A conversation with your insurer can unveil a treasure trove of insight into how best to use those funds effectively. Keep meticulous records of every repair, as documentation might become your lifebuoy in turbulent waters during future claims. If uncertainty clouds your path, don't hesitate to seek the expertise of a public adjuster or legal advisor, guiding you through the intricate maze of insurance. As you embrace the authority to decide how to use your insurance payout, remain vigilant about the consequences of your choices. Protecting your financial future and nurturing your peace of mind hinges on navigating this landscape with wisdom and forethought. When the dust settles and you reflect on this period, will you be able to smile, confident in the choices you made? Only time will tell.